Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with the following. One night, I was arrested when soliciting sex on the street. I gave a fake ID that I brought on the street, and now I'm being accused of identity theft. Well, aside from soliciting sex, you're also being accused of identity theft. Okay, identity theft, this is a violation of Penal Code Section 530.5 here in the state of California. It's a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison. And if you're not a U.S. citizen, this is the type of offense that could result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, or denial of naturalization. Now, here's the deal. If you're using somebody else's ID, even with permission, that's a crime. You're not supposed to do that. And by the way, forget about ID for a minute. Using somebody else's social, that's a big no-no. I mean, I had a guy who made up a social, and the horrible thing about that is that he made up a social, got a job, got credit, and it turned out that the social belonged to a girl who had been had straight 4.0s or higher, I think, and was going into university, and she couldn't get student loans because he basically damaged her credit by putting credit on, and that created a huge mess. And that is a situation where, apart from the crime, there would be a lot of restitution that would be owed to the victim. So please be aware. You got to be very, very careful when it comes to fake IDs. I mean, if you have one made up, I guess maybe change the age or something, but don't even do that. Quite frankly, that's a crime in and of itself. But when it comes to using somebody else's ID or stealing somebody else's identity, you have to understand that the consequences are really, really bad, because the economic loss that the victim suffers could be tremendous depending on who the victim is. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorney.